Good morning, everyone. Good morning to my teachers and my fellow classmates. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adela from Minatanagra School in grade 7. I thank all of you for giving me your time to listen to my presentation. Today, I'm going to talk about air pollution in Indonesia, what are the effects of air pollution, and also two simple ways to reduce air pollution. Air pollution is quite a problem in Indonesia and also in many other countries. According to the World Quality Air Report by IQ Air in 2019, Indonesia ranked the sixth most polluted country in the world and also the first in Southeast Asia. Not only that, Jakarta, the capital city of Indonesia, is also ranked high in the fifth most polluted capital cities in the world, which is higher from its 10th position in 2018. Most of these pollutants are mainly caused by seasonal forest fires, traffic jams, and also the increase of industrial areas. Now, we all know that air pollution is very unhealthy for our body. In my research, I found that more than 50% of diseases are mainly caused by air pollution. Most of the diseases are, of course, respiratory diseases such as asthma, URTI, or we can call it upper respiratory infection, and worse, lung cancer. It is also dangerously unhealthy for children and pregnant women. Not only dangerous for our body, but it is also dangerous for the environment as well. Some effects that may happen because of air pollution are crop and forest damage, global warming, and also global climate change. Now, fast forward to 2020, where we know what happened. The large-scale social restrictions were held in Jakarta because of COVID, and Jakarta's air seemed to be getting better. Clear blue skies with white clouds were found in Jakarta, and its photos were once trending on the internet. You can see that there's a huge difference between 2019 and 2020. Jakarta's air is much more clearer and brighter, even though some researchers still may say that it is still unhealthy, but it is pleasant to the eyes. But the problem is 2022. A new normal is starting, and many more people will go outside to do offline activities, and that will trigger and increase more air pollution. Especially when you look at the pictures, you can see that there's a slight difference between 2021 and 2022. Thus, what can we do to reduce air pollution and improve the air quality so that what happened in 2019 doesn't happen again in Jakarta and in other places as well? The first thing I would advise you is to use less of your private vehicles. It is because the common thing that causes air pollution in Indonesia is the number of private vehicles used. It is said that there are over 20 million vehicles in Jakarta by 2020. Instead, what you can use is use more of public transportation. Or if the distance between you and your destination is near, you might as well just walk or ride a bike. Secondly, is to not burn trash. Now, many people seem to think that burning trash will solve the waste problem, but actually, it will also harm the environment. You see, when you burn trash, it will produce dust, ashes, black smoke, and release carbon dioxide into the air. What you can do to help instead of burning your trash is to separate the non-organic and organic trash and by implementing the 3R, which is reduce, reuse, and recycle. In short, air pollution in Indonesia is increasing day by day, not just in Indonesia but also around the world. Pollution, not only air pollution, is very unhealthy for us and our environment, especially when you look at it, most of the causes of air pollution are because of us. That is why we, as people who live in it, should take action and be responsible and be aware of the health and safety of our earth. Thank you again so much for listening to my presentation. I hope this can add an understanding and be useful for all of you. Have a great day. Goodbye.